You can expect a lot from the 2011 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, skid plates, reverse sensing system, a roof rack, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.